Ryan here. Today I want to show you how to use the Parse with Regex processor in BindPlane. So this configuration we're looking at, we've got a BindPlane agent being managed by BindPlane. It's acting as a gateway in this case. We're collecting from a Splunk Universal Forwarder on the left here over TCP, and then we're routing off to Splunk and also to Google. This is an architecture we've talked about before. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link to it in one of the corners here, and you'll be able to check it out. So let's take a look at how we use this Regex parser. I'll click on one of my processor nodes, and if we just look at one of these snapshots, you'll see the body here is a string. So we want to parse that. So let's edit a new version, and we will go down to our parse section and choose parse with Regex. We'll enable this for logs. As always, you can enter in a condition if you just want to match this on certain logs. Leaving it as true will mean it will apply to all logs in your pipeline. Source field is going to be body. So this means we want to parse the body. The field type, the field we're going to leave blank because we want to apply to everything. We could specify a specific field. And then the target is also going to be body, and this will actually replace that string. Lastly, we just need to enter a regex pattern, which I've got created already. So we'll paste that there and hit done. And let's pull up a snapshot. And of course, we've got our great live preview over here. So here's the string, and here it is, nicely parsed. That's it. Really, really simple. All right, catch you in the next one.